Hi, good morning. Welcome everyone to Wealth Wizards. This is Jagadish Chandran. Are you a trader trading in Bank Nifty futures? Here's the key levels to watch out for a Bank Nifty expiry special. Have a look at the Bank Nifty end of the day and hourly chart. Bank Nifty futures, the previous close was 47,527. Now the major resistance placed at 47,766, followed by 47,912 and 47,984 zones. The supports placed at 47,270, followed by 47,135 and 46,853 zones. Max pain remains at 47,200 and India VIX stands at 13.64, negative 2.55%. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy and safe trading. Take care.